Meaning of fugitive.
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 Fugitive. The word fugitive is an adjective that describes someone or something that is fleeing from danger, justice, or persecution. It refers to a person who has run away or escaped from a particular place or situation in order to avoid punishment. The term can also be used to describe something that is fleeting or difficult to grasp, such as a memory or emotion. Fugitives are often on the run and may need to constantly change their location to avoid being caught. Overall, the word fugitive conveys the idea of someone or something in flight or escaping from pursuit.